Meaning of gas pedal.
Gas pedal.
Gas pedal.
Gas pedal.
Gas pedal. The gas pedal, also known as the accelerator pedal, is a component in a vehicle that controls the flow of fuel to the engine. When the driver presses down on the pedal, the throttle valve opens, allowing more air and fuel into the engine, which increases its power and speed. The level of pressure applied to the gas pedal determines the amount of fuel delivered to the engine, and thus the acceleration of the vehicle. Essentially, the gas pedal is what enables the driver to control the speed and movement of the vehicle.